Welcome back to Savvy Serena. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. Some of this my husband purchased and some of it I bought. My husband bought these. They are called pencil wheels, to help draw. My husband used to take mechanical drawing. Each one is a different stencil. It does something. See, that one says like dream big. I don't know if you can see that. Well, he played around with it yesterday. I believe this is a stencil he used, and that's what it ended up doing. Actually did a pretty good job. But he's wanting to get back into drawing, so he ended up getting these stencils, and like I said, he picked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and each one does something different. A drawing pad, a sketch pad so he could draw with it. It says it's ideal for dry media, acid free, stay bright white. Also bought one of these pencil holders, the metal black ones, and he bought these 3 pencils. They came in a pack. It had number 7 mechanical pencils, but he liked the fact they had a clip on them. They also had the cushiony pad down here, but I think he liked those metallic colors. And so he used them yesterday and he liked them. And that's what he drew the stuff with yesterday. So got one of the Dollar Tree desk pads, 2019 calendar for the desk. I really told him I didn't need it for the desk, but he wanted to get it anyways. So we got one of these for the new year for the desk. So got these calendars. One's called Classic Cars. The other one's called Classic Autos. If you're wanting to get calendars from Dollar Tree, now is the time to get them. They had quite a few in selection there for the 2019 year. So if this is something you're wanting to hang on your wall, go to Dollar Tree now, because I know when you get closer to Christmas, this stuff is gone. I bought this for my husband for him to use. It's a twin pocket folder. He needed a folder that he could use for when he goes to the doctor. He likes to bring his papers and stuff the doctor gives him. He likes to bring those with him. And so I figured this might be perfect for that. That way I can put it in, I can put it up inside there and he can just carry that whole thing. I'll keep it in the filing cabinet and he can, being red, I'll be able to keep track of it better. It's mine, but I told my husband he could use these too. When I'm erasing, I don't like to use those pink erasers. I like the white ones better. They seem to erase a whole lot better. So these are just like paper or cardboard little things that go over the erasers. I told him he could take that off and we can use these erasers. So we bought a pack of those. A pack of mechanical pencils. With the comfort grips, I felt these comfort grips, and I like the way they are. They're way bigger. They help me write better. So I figured I got some of those. And when these little erasers go out, I'll just use the bigger eraser. But it's number 0.7 mm millimeter lead, and I've got lead refills to refill his pencils and mine. But I didn't get those at Dollar Tree. I couldn't find any, but I already have some on hand. Also, to go with my binder theme, this is an elastic book band, but it says Dreams for Days. I thought that was cute. I've never seen these at Dollar Tree before, but I'm really curious to see if this works. What I got was kind of girly. I found these Yes to Tomato Clear Skin. This is for all skin types, and this one is for dry skin. I'm going to try it and see. This one you kind of, looks like you mix the clay up and then you put it on. So I'm curious, it's a charcoal mask. I've been wanting to use a charcoal mask to see if it will help with my blackheads. So I'm curious to see how this one works. And this one is a hydrating one for dry skin. And that's a sleeping mask, so I guess you put it on at night before you go to bed. So I'm going to try these out. They are name brand for $1. I figured I'd try it, especially the charcoal, to see if it works before I go and buy something more expensive. Before I left, I seen this rose palette. They had 3 different palettes. They had a smoky eye palette, what was it? Oh, and a nudes palette, and then they had this rose colored palette. I tend to like the rose colors better on me than I do like the smoky eye color or the nude. I don't like nude on me at all because of my eye color. I have like hazel eyes and I just don't think it looks as good. But I seen some matte colors in here, which is what I'm really looking for, is more of the matte colors than I am the shimmery colors. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Y'all come back now. You hear?